How to choose Nespresso machine. 4 great point to consider before buying. Don't know how to choose Nespresso machine? You come to the right place. Let's talk about it. A simple filtered coffee can be produced by hand. But what about cappuccino, latte, and espresso? How to choose Nespresso machines. Some basic information. The first thing to learn from how to choose Nespresso machine is to consider the capsule. Original line coffee capsules are available in 3 different sizes: 3.7 ounces lungo, 1.35 ounces espresso, and 0.85 ounces ristretto. Size. There are many compact Nespresso machines available that have the same functionality as larger machines, while also being lighter. Capacity. You should consider the water container capacity while calculating the number of people in your family, so you don't have to refill the water container after each cup of coffee. The machine's cost. The price is totally determined by the features and quality of coffee that your Nespresso machine will produce. It doesn't matter where, or how, good food is served, you will always find me somewhere near it.